Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can play multiplayer or with your friends on Project Winter. So let's get started. So first off, you can host a game with your friends, so just go ahead and select host game right here. Now you can select the mode, so I will just go ahead and stick with the classic, and I will just quickly rename this, and I will log the lobby just for the sake of the tutorial. So I will just now click host right here. And now a game is created which I'm currently hosting. So to play with friends or play multiplayer, you would need to invite some people or your friends to this lobby right here. So I will just click invite on Epic, or if you're on Steam, this will say invite on Steam. Now my friend list on Epic Games is loaded and I can select who I want to invite to this game. Now once you invite your friends and they accept the invite, they will appear right here. But you can only play if you have 5 to 8 players in your lobby. So you will need to invite at least 5 people to play with. Alternatively, you can just wait for other people to join your lobby if you opened it. So once you have at least 5 players, you can click ready right here and the game will start. So that's guys how you can play multiplayer on Project Winter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.